Hi, everybody. My name is Sarah Haase,
I'm Dave Drever.
and we are very excited to be doing something that is new for us because we are co-presenting a workshop at TechCon 365 in Seattle in June 2025. And this is a first for us, Dave.
It is. I'm really excited about working with you there, Sarah.
Longtime friends, first-time co-speakers.
Absolutely.
So we are delivering a full-day workshop on June 24th, 2025 in Seattle for TechCon 365, and it's called Data Protection, Collaboration, and User Engagement, Assisting Your Organization in Doing It All. So
we're really planning on doing it all, aren't we?
We have a really lengthy outline already. We're going to talk for 1 to 17 days on this topic. No, we're gonna fit it all in one day, but the idea is that we're really bringing, I think, some of the things that you do best in terms of Microsoft Purview, information protection, data protection, classification, along with user engagement, collaboration, and how we enable our employees to thrive and work together. And we're going to mash it all up together to try and help people to discern how to both protect and collaborate.
And we're going to tie it to all those tools that you're going to be using as well, right? Teams and OneDrive and SharePoint. Copilot's going to be in there too. Viva Engage, Microsoft Loop, all these tools that organizations are using that they need to collaborate with, but they don't not always have the protections in place they need to secure their data, but still allow that ability to collaborate together, right?
Exactly. And really talking about what types of content that you have and what types of content you want to protect from a collaboration perspective, because there's a big difference between files that we store in SharePoint and OneDrive and Teams versus Microsoft Loop components versus Microsoft list data. So we're going to go into all that. And then you're going to provide an overview of security and compliance tools.
Absolutely. But we're going to tie all that together because the point here is that we need to help you, help everyone understand where that tie is. How do I collaborate and maintain that security and make sure that we're able to work together? So there's a bias here we have to work with, and we're going to cover all that in that session as well.
Yeah, and I think that this is something that I think you have a lot of purists that are either for unaltered collaboration or that they want to make sure that they are secure and compliant first. And the reality is you're going to have to sacrifice a lot to get a lot. So your security is only as good as the employee in your organization who understands it the least or is the least compliant. So now you have to sacrifice sometimes collaboration in some ways, or freedom of collaboration, easy collaboration with security. So we're going to talk about our bias and break down some models of organizations and how they approach this duality.
Yes. And the whole point of this is to provide those of you who are attending our workshop with the tools that you need to move forward. How do I help my organization to build this out? Have that nice balance between collaboration and security, being able to work together, being able to secure my most sensitive information.
I'm really excited about it. It's going to be a great one-day workshop. If you'd like to attend, people can go out to TechCon 365 in Seattle. It's in June 2025. We will be there live and in person, so it's definitely an in-person opportunity, and we're really excited to meet with everyone and dig into this for a whole day.
Absolutely. It'll be a day of fun and jokes. I'll be teasing Sarah constantly, so you should probably come along and check that out.
Yes, I will bring the coffee. It'll be great. Hope to see you there, everyone.